Hello, friends. Today's story's title is This is the Tree We Planted by Kate McMullen and illustrated by Allison Friend. Let's get started, friends. Whoa, look at that huge tree. The branches and the leaves are beautiful green color. I see a light green and a dark green, and kind of a medium green. So beautiful. This is the tree we planted. Is he digging a hole to put the tree in? I think so. And then our friends have the holes, and then maybe they're going to plant it and then water it. Let's see. This is the tree. This is the tree. This is the tree we planted. Hey, there's a nest that rests in the tree we planted. And 1, 2, 3 eggs inside the nest that rests in the tree we planted. This must be the robin that laid the eggs inside the nest that rests in the tree that we planted. Look at that squirrel with a thrashing tail raced by the robin that laid the eggs inside the nest that rests in the tree that we planted. Hi, squirrel. Hi, robin. Do you hear the kids? They squeak and wail, calling the squirrel with the thrashing tail that raced by the robin that laid the eggs inside the nest that rests in the tree that we planted. I see a hawk with feathers pale, eyeing the kids that squeak and wail, calling the squirrel with the thrashing tail that raced by the robin that laid the eggs inside the nest that rests in the tree that we planted. Oh, are those baby squirrels? Oh, hi, baby squirrels. Here comes some jays zooming over the trail, scaring the hawk with feathers pale that eye the kids that squeak and wail, calling the